What's up guys? Retson here for another vlog. So today we're switching out the wheels and tires on my Model A. I picked up some 35 Ford wheels down in, actually up in Denair, California. And so we're going to throw those on. Luckily I have my buddy Grayson here to help me. He's kind of scared of the camera, so we'll see what happens. Here we go. So right now we just found out gas is leaking out of the carburetor. So first thing we're going to do is check the oil. Hopefully it didn't leak into the crankcase. We'll see what happens. Super sick. This is what it looks like. Wow. That looks pretty dope, gotta say. I think next I want to take off the bumpers. What do you say? Do it. Do it? Yeah. Maybe in a bit. See you next week. So first what we gotta do is connect the battery cable. Which if you're a Ford Model A owner without a cutoff, you know exactly what to do. So, roll these bad boys down. We can go take it for a drive, see just how she rides. So, e-brake's on, super cool. I'm gonna turn the gav, or the fuel on. Needs a little love. Cool. Headlights are on. It's very cool. Let's see how she starts. Right now, we're just warming her up. Kind of loud. She's a nice little barn find. Just letting the engine warm up a little bit and we'll take her for a little ride.